At Advanced Drainage Systems, our mission is to provide clean water management solutions to communities and deliver unparalleled service to our customers. To put it simply, our reason is water. Culverts are an ideal solution to manage excess flow and prevent downstream flooding and erosion along a roadway. They allow water to flow under a driveway or roadway with minimum obstruction, while still providing access where you need to go. We'll show you how to properly install polypropylene pipe for culvert applications. Before you dig, be sure to contact your local utility notification center to mark any underground utility lines and obtain any necessary permits for your project. Effective management of traffic during construction is necessary to reduce motorist traffic delays, ensure worker safety, complete the project in a timely manner, and to maintain access for businesses and residents. Before you get started, some materials you may need are polypropylene pipe, pipe lubricant, and precast safety end treatments. The first step is to excavate a trench from the outlet to the inlet point. Minimum trench widths are based on the pipe diameter and should be followed to ensure proper compaction and clearance for compaction equipment. Make sure to allow for positive drainage. A pipe laser may be used to achieve this. Place and compact the specified bedding material in the bottom of the trench as bedding for the pipe. Compaction should be performed with appropriate compaction equipment, such as a jumping jack, to ensure proper bedding and trench support. Use appropriate backfill material per project specifications. Prior to placing the pipe in the trench, identify which ends of the pipe will connect to the precast safety end treatments. Once identified, cut the bell and/or spigot off. If the pipe needs to be cut to the appropriate length for your project, use a reciprocating saw with a coarse blade. Cut the pipe in the valley of the corrugation to the appropriate length. Roll the pipe away as you cut with the saw. Deburr the end if needed. Do not discard the extra piece of pipe that was cut off. Simply place it to the side so it will be ready to be staged for the next culvert. Begin laying the pipe, starting downstream so that the spigot is always pushed into the bell, never the other way around. Pipe lube should be used to home the pipe. Prior to placement of pipe lube, be sure to clean both the bell and gasketed spigot to ensure no large pieces of backfill or debris are obstructing. Using a brush or applicator, place the pipe lube on the inside of the bell and around the gasket on the spigot end. Once the bell and spigot has been cleared of debris and the pipe lube is applied, the pipe can now be pushed home on line and grade. Once the home marker has been covered, the pipe has been fully homed. To assemble the joints, use either the bar and block method, the backhoe method, or the backhoe and sling method. For the bar and block method, an installation stub needs to be created. Take the spigot end of the pipe that was previously cut and remove the gasket. This piece can now be used as an installation stub. Place the installation stub into the bell end of the pipe and place a wooden block horizontally across the end of the installation stub. With the bar, push against the wooden block until the pipe is fully inserted into the bell. For the backhoe method, place the installation stub into the bell end of the pipe and the wood block horizontally across the installation stub. Carefully push the back of the backhoe bucket against the block until the pipe is fully inserted into the bell. The backhoe and sling method requires wrapping a nylon sling around the pipe. Hook the other end of the nylon sling to the backhoe bucket. The operator should carefully push the strap tight toward the bell of the downstream pipe until the spigot is fully inserted into the bell and the home marker on the pipe is not visible. Ensure the pipe is pushed on line and grade to avoid misalignment. Once the pipe is in place, the precast safety end treatments will need to be installed. Proper excavation, grading, and compaction will need to take place to ensure that the pipe is centered in the safety end treatment. Once the safety end treatment is properly installed and aligned, non-shrink grout should be mixed and applied to connect the pipe. The grout should be applied to the backside of the safety end treatment prior to placement of backfill to ensure a strong connection. If there are any voids under the pipe, use the specified backfill material to fill and compact. Place and compact pipe embedment material in 6-inch loose lifts until the final specified cover height is achieved. The section of pipe that was cut off and placed to the side can be used and staged at the next culvert location. Extend the life and effectiveness of your system by inspecting and cleaning it. Check for erosion of the backfill and remove any large debris near the safety end treatments that may obstruct future flow. The nation's growth and susceptibility depends on a sound infrastructure. Culverts not only control erosion and ensure proper drainage, they ensure the long-term success of our roadways. ADS polypropylene pipe has longer spans, which result in 60% fewer joints, significantly decreasing the likelihood of leakage and surface failure. Additionally, polypropylene pipe is lightweight, which allows for smaller equipment and crew sizes, and a reduced number of trucks to and from the job site. These factors help reduce installation days and, more importantly, allow for a safer job site. For more information, contact your local ADS representative or visit adspipe.com for more drainage solutions.